everyone, this is Sheikh Muhammad. You're watching Muhammad Madhu channel. Today I'm going to discuss about Udemy courses, guys. Today is 20 and this is Saturday, guys, weekend. And just type in JNQ, guys. I'm gonna give link in description and click on Udemy courses for free 20 June, guys. And scroll down. And the day starts with deep learning for beginners. And this is for network like triple students, I think so, guys. You can check it here. Artificial Neural Network ANN course requirement. Students will need to install RStudio software, but we have to separate lecture to help you install the same. Okay, if anyone interested in learning RStudios like that, you can enroll to this, guys. And next one is leadership. You can speak like a leader. And this is of 34 hours. My god, this is humongous. Let's enroll this one. And CSS3 and Bootstrap for beginners. This is also a CSC course like that. And let's open this one also. Workspace communication. You can speak up at meetings. This is also some MBA students like that, guys. Yeah, she is the author for that. Complete English grammar course. Perfect your English. Means I think so tenses, guys. Quick learning content and articles. If anyone learned tenses, yeah, everything is there, guys, in this. Everything. If anyone want to learn, who is the author for this? I'm gonna see. Yeah, he is the author, guys. TJ Walker. I had seen many of these courses. I had enrolled many of his courses, guys. He's the best teacher, guys. I'm gonna enroll this one because its way of communication is pretty much excellent, guys. And introduction to building blockage apps. I don't know about this, but this is somewhat networks also the same thing as complete AutoCAD course. Okay, this is also interesting, guys. As being a civil engineering and mechanical engineering or triple students, you need to learn this AutoCAD, guys. And this is a 16 hours course. Who is the author for this? Let's see how many. Okay, everything is there, guys, to learn. I'm going to recommend you guys to learn this CAD CIM technologies. Means it's not an institution, but leading e-learning content for, okay, it's an institution, guys, but somewhat multinational like type. Super content, guys.
Hello everyone. Building services.
Yeah, the animation is pretty much good, guys. I'm going to recommend you my below, guys, complete course in AutoCAD 2020 2D and 3D, guys. Those who want to enroll this one, enroll this, guys, quickly. And complete Python boot camp, and this is also similar, guys. This is I think so out of time, guys, that's why it's a buy. It's about CSC like that. And Facebook marketing for the people of network marketing like that, mostly, guys. Yeah, this is also about 47 minutes of course and 12 lectures. This is about network marketing, guys. And you can enroll this one. Internet of Things, IoT. Yeah, This is also under robotics and hacking with the Node MCU. This is also interesting, guys. You can log into this, enroll this one, guys. I'm just closing this all. The modern Gnostic guide to decode your dreams. This is what encouraging aspect or aspiring. Who is the author for this? James Bose. Financial success and self mastery, peak performance. Okay, let's enroll this one. And intro to building blockchain apps. Blockchain apps. I don't know what is this. Enroll before you can see here, guys. This one. Okay, achieving powerful goals. This is a motivation. 20 hours of motivation, guys. And who is the author for this? He is the author. Yeah. James Rose is the author, guys. CISM, Information Security Program Management Practice Exam. This is an exam, guys. And this is you can look at here. This is exam. If anyone want a CISM exam, you can log into this. Wings Infotech. This is I think so. This is company's exam, guys. And certificate in skill disorders alternative therapy treatment. Certificate. What you can do with certificates? In skin disorders alternative therapy treatment. Okay, these two things, guys. Skin. My God. 19 hours of things. Okay, this is not my thing. Sell your digital video on Amazon. What you can do with Amazon? And so somewhat marketing. This is a marketing as network marketing. Yeah. Business coach and founder of businesscoach.coach. Okay. Linear regression and logistic regression using R. This is a mathematics. I had enrolled this one earlier, guys, in my previous videos. In my previous videos, you can look at here. Basics of stats and R Studio. Yeah. I'm going to enroll this one. It might help for me, not even for me, for others. I think so. If anyone want, I'm going to give to them, guys. And this is exam, guys. And ECC Council 71250 certificate CISO. This is the exam. I'm just reading that much long. This simple exam, guys. If anyone want, just enroll this one to get a certificate. Cisco Tech Work loan certificate easily. Okay, this is the last one, guys, for today. Microsoft Windows Server 2016, and you can look at here. Windows Server 2016 hands-on training part 2. I think so. This is a whole story. I think so. Yeah, this is also important for the hardware students. Like, okay, guys, this is for now. I hope you enjoy this video, guys. I'm signing off, guys, and this is my website, guys. This is somewhat blog like that. You can see it, guys. Muhammad Madhu, and this is somewhat tag that one. And this is my SkyArch Ultima. This is my startup company like that, guys. And these are all my things, guys, where I just studied my BTech and I just did after my graduation and my future targets, guys. and getting down to this our service. And for now I'm just considering a guide to journals and civil softwares and journals and copyrights, guys. I'm just making a start up like that. And that's it, guys. This is my view, and I'm gonna show you another thing also. And this is my startup, guys. You can look at here. And this is for the who want to publish a journal and copyright in their final year bachelor's degree, BTech or MTech or MBA students, I guess. You can contact me, guys. I could publish your journals and check your plagiarism along with that. And I hope you enjoy this video, guys. And if you do, like and subscribe my channel. This is Sheikh Muhammad signing off. Bye.